Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can embed Google Calendars to Monday.com to this awesome application, and the fact that you can embed your Google Calendar, I think that's pretty cool. But let's now jump right into the video. So what you have to do is to click on this icon apps, and here you should see this search bar. Here write Google Calendars, and you should see here the first option, the first result, free plan available. Click on it and now add to your account. All you have to do is just to add to your account, and that's pretty much it. And this will allows you to embed any public Google account like your dashboard, and you don't have to share it with others. Like, you can simply import your events, and this can help you synchronize with Google Calendar. Okay, so just make sure you add to your account. Click on here, add to your account. Wait a couple of seconds. It's free as well. Now here, specify your workspaces, or you can specify or add a workspace. Okay, I select two workspace, and Monday.com Google Calendar Embedded will able to read all your board data and general information about your account. Now click on install, and now Google Calendar Embedded was installed successfully. Your 40 days trial, because this is like the pro version. And now choose the feature, get started by adding a new one feature of the app. You can select I'll go with Google Calendar Embedded. I'll click on next and add. Okay, now wait. And here we have our calendar, Google Calendar. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video helped you. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.